Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to share a tutorial on how to create some velvet bows for your projects. As you can see, I have different colors here. This is inspired, the whole tutorial is inspired by Hobby Lobby's new velvet bows. I went crazy and I just wish that I had these in different colors. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make my own bows and get different colors so I can have different colors, okay? So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the ribbons that I have. I have this one here. This is a mint color one from Temu. And then on Amazon, I found a couple of pink ones. I grabbed this one here. I think that this one was $10 if I'm not mistaken, but you get a ton in here, you guys. And you can, as you can see, these Hobby Lobby ones, they're already $4.49 regular price. Even though with the sale, they're still a little pricey. So I think it's totally worth it to invest in some of these suede ribbons. This is 3/8 of an inch velvet ribbon, and this one has 15 yards, okay? So there's a ton in here, ton. And this is really pretty pink. Sometimes it's hard to tell the pink online through pictures. So this is why I'm sharing this with you guys in case you guys are interested. So it's this color pink here. And then there's another one that I found. I think this one was like $5.99. I'll link all of them down below if you're interested. And this is another color pink, okay? And I think that this one was like 10 yards, 5 yards. I can't remember, you guys. But these are the bows that I created, and I think they're pretty spot on. I don't know, you guys tell me what you think. Maybe the centers on this one is a little bit thinner, but I'm gonna show you guys how to create these, okay? So you're gonna grab your ribbon, whatever color you choose, and we are gonna measure 4 1/4 of an inch of this. So I'm gonna use my mat. I'm gonna kind of mark it with my finger, and we are going to cut, okay? Now you're gonna go ahead and cut a bunch of these so you can do a nice lineup and you can just have a bunch ready to play, because these guys, they do go very quickly, okay? So let's grab my other trim and let's cut 4 1/4 of that. Actually, no, I have some other ones cut here. Okay, so once you have your 4 1/4 inch piece, you're gonna go ahead and grab another piece, and you're gonna cut maybe like a little less than an inch. You can just eyeball this. I don't measure this part. And then you're gonna cut this in half, okay? And this is gonna be our center. Just go ahead and carefully cut down the middle. So you have your 2 pieces, well, 3, and then you can cut, you know, another one so you can have 2 bows. So now we're gonna go ahead and fishtail the ends. So you're gonna fold it over and you're gonna cut from the inside out to the corner, like so, to create your fishtail ends. Same thing on this side, okay? Then you're gonna take your bow, your trim, and you're just gonna fold your tails over like so. Get them to how long you want them to be, and you're gonna take this side and you're just gonna put it in the middle like that, okay? Make sure that you have your tails adjusted. Like you see, it was a little bit longer on one side, and you wanna kind of go a little bit over more than half, and you're gonna grab an elastic. Don't use those really strong rubber bands, the black ones, because they will show through, okay? So I'm using a light color, I'm using pink, and I'm gonna, you know, try to get this in the middle, okay? And I'm gonna twist this about 5 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, do 6. And then there goes your bow. You're gonna pull your tails down, and then there you have your bow, you guys. Really simple, okay? And you can fluff your bow up a little bit here before you put your center. But that's basically how you do it, guys. Let's do it again. Okay, take our ribbon, fold it in half, and snip to create our fishtails. So I hope you guys try this out. Make sure you tag me. I would love to see your bows. I had to have different colors. I'm obsessed with this velvet bow look. Okay, so again, we're gonna fold over like that. Get our tails to where we want it, and then this we're just gonna adjust. So like that. And again, make sure, like, see, this one looks a little longer than this one, so I'm gonna kind of adjust it. Okay, and once I'm happy, I'm gonna pinch more on this side, okay? Because you really wanna get this rubber band in the middle. It's hard to get it over if you don't. And then we're gonna go ahead and hold it. I'm holding it with 2 fingers, and then I'm twisting with this one. So 3, 4, 5, about 6. And then you're gonna adjust your bow. It might take a little practice, guys, but once you start making a bunch of these, you get the flow and you get the hang of it. And there goes your bow, okay? So now we're gonna take our little pieces that we cut for the center. We're gonna turn this around. Now you wanna be quick with this because the elastics, they do break from the hot glue gun. It doesn't matter because we're gonna glue it and secure it anyways. It's worked fine for me. You guys can also use string, but I just find that this elastic, it just works, it's quick and it just works for me. So I'm gonna put a little dab of glue and I'm gonna fold this over and let it glue all the way, okay, guys? And your elastic may break. It's okay, just hold it and put it down right away and it'll be secure. Okay, trust me, I made a bunch of these already. So put a little bit of glue, work fast because it does pop quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna hold that down just a few seconds. And once that's secure, you're gonna take this side and you're gonna pull it over as much as you can, make it nice and tight, and you're gonna glue this part, okay? And it glues really quickly. And then you're just gonna go ahead and trim off the excess. And there goes your bow, okay? Let's do this back part again. So take your piece, put it to the front, turn it over so everything is backwards. We're gonna go ahead and put our glue. Be quick because it's gonna pop because of that heat. But it just holds it perfectly until you have time to do this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm pulling this tight, guys. You want your center to be nice and tight. Put a little bit of glue and fold that over. Okay, and then clip this. Make sure that that's glued down good before you clip it. I just clipped it too much. So let me just add a little bit of glue. And there goes your bow. Isn't that pretty, guys? So I've been having fun putting these on all of my projects. Let me show you some projects I put them on. So a lot of these are the Scrap Diva designs. I got stuff everywhere, guys. I'm working on so many projects. I put a little bow on her 3D locker. This is how it came out. I did show this in another video. You guys can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase with anything on scrapdivadesigns.com. So I put it on there. I put one on here. These bows are the first ones that I made. And as you can see, I used the black rubber band. You can kind of see through it. That's what I mean about using the lighter elastics. And this is a 5-inch one. So you can make them bigger. I like the smaller size. The 4 1/4 works perfect. I have it on this project. This is her new Valentine card mini album. And then it comes with a tiny one. Look at, guys, it's so cute. These bows just make everything so cute. And then of course you guys know that I put them on tassels as well. Do I have one laying around? I don't know where there's one. Here was one. Yeah, I put a blue one on here, a green, a mint on here. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. I'm gonna link all the trims down below, those pink ones, in case you are interested. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I hope that you find this simple to do. And happy crafting. Bye.